Race 5, I got Kylie's Angel. I think she's on a better distance now again. Definitely worth including in the quartets and that. Then race 6, I got Sonic Jet. Put the 4 kilogram Claimer Appy on to get the 4 kilos off on her back that she doesn't carry 63 kilos. I think this filly is a massive runner. She should go very close to winning this race. She's very well at the moment. A comeback run after that 2 months break wasn't bad. And I think she'll be right up on top of him.